You can still see? You can still see.
Alright, these two are partners. This is your VIP. What this guy must do in your team, you must take him to a designated point. The problem is he can't see.
Can I still shoot?
What are you going to shoot, the wall?
Where's your thunder bee? Where's your thunder bee? This is going to make things a lot easier.
That's not fair.
Here, give it up.
Is it loaded?
Yeah.
Cool.
Oh, I can't get it. Yeah, he's gonna pull the pin. I dare him.
I got you.
I can't see it.
It's okay, I got it.
You can't see.
Oh no!
Oh, hold on to that shit. Hold it. Hold on to that crap.
Alright, guys.
I thought he pulled it. That's why I had to do it.
That's what I thought.
Don't pull it.
Hey, let's go.
Listen up.
Don't pull it.
Go there, go there, go there. Watch this, watch this.
VIP to jail. Their objective is to get him to jail.
Someone stick out the
Yo, don't go near him. All right, guys. Red team's objective is to get him to jail.
I'm using this.
Holy catch, your team is not.
Where am I going?
Just don't move.
Let's go.
What do we do?
You cannot step foot in jail. Yes, you guys.
Just keep walking. Don't worry. I got you. I got you. I got you. Don't pull the pin. Don't pull that shit.
Watch out for that wall. Red team stays.
Don't do that.
Red team stays. Red team stays.
Timmy, where the hell's the thunder bee? Where do I have to go? Oh, whoa.
Tip of advice, whoever controls the church controls the field. So get to the church first and just sit. Is the blue team ready?
Don't do it.
So he's going to jail. He's going to jail.
Make a shot.
I got you. Don't worry. This way, this way, this way. Don't worry. I got you. Walk.
Going too fast.
No, walk.
Too fast.
Walk. Don't worry. Hey, watch out for the wall. Watch out for the wall. Watch out. Move. Don't worry. We're hot. We're in cover. We're in cover. Are you serious? We're in cover. Don't worry. Don't worry. Go. Let go. Let go of the wall.
Control the church.
No, let go of the wall. Let go of the damn wall.
Hey, control the church.
This isn't the. We're not in the church yet. Let's go.
Control it.
Yeah. Duck down. Duck down. Duck down with me. Let's go.
Just control it. I'm not going in there.
Just don't worry. You're not in sight. Let's go. Let's go. Church is clear. Let's go.
The church is ours. I can't see.
Man, me neither.
You can't see. It's dark as hell. Yeah, but I'm tape over it.
Oh well, I have no Maggin.
I'm here to make sure you don't get
Hold on. Don't move. Wait, he's a juggernaut?
You can't die, but you can't get him there because you can't see.
Okay. This.
Oh, don't worry, that happened.
No, but you're gonna, I don't like this game.
Let's go from around.
Hey, you wanted to be the guy.
Yeah, but I didn't know what I was signing up for.
This is an honor. Don't worry. Let's go.
You are the first person to find a kid.
Well, I don't like it already.
We're the first to do a lot. Shit, wait, don't move. You're out. Let's go.
Why are we going right in?
What? There he is.
What? Oh, that's our teammate. Never mind.
I'm a juggernaut. I can't die. Don't shoot me.
Okay.
You cannot die. You
Okay.
cannot die.
Run with me when I tell you to. Ready?
I don't know where.
Just.
You might want to move slow.
No, just right there. Just.
You might want to carry his ass.
Fine.
Why can't we just go to the church?
I'm carrying you.
Oh no. Oh no.
Don't.
Go, go.
Okay. We're here. Your pistol fell.
I got it.
No,
Where's that?
Right here.
I have have a thing on it. Where's my holster? Greg, you have a light on.
Okay. Okay.
Almost there. Go.
Okay, now we're behind the barrel right next to the church. We're gonna go into the church now. Ready? Let's go.
Where is it?
Okay, just run. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go.
Timmy, you're clear.
Okay, we're in the church. We're in the church now.
Okay, Timmy, do you see the light?
Shit.
Guys. Stay right.
Well, he's not a freaking cat.
Oh, thank you. Who was that?
Me?
Guys, all the path here.
Oh my God. Okay, no, I'll tell you what to do. You advance up and hide behind this wall.
I fucking can't. Hang on.
Okay, you're awesomer. Just run. I'll clear this area. When I tell you to run, just run across, okay?
Here, hang
and
on.
hide behind. Ready?
Hang on.
Go, 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 go. No, 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 no. Okay.
Apple, you clear?
Okay, where's what's his name? Tim. Let's go.
Where are we going?
You have nothing to worry about.
Oh, I have a lot to worry about.
We're going to Walgreens. Don't worry.
Oh, we are?
Yes. Him as a meat shirt, fine. No.
I got you, Vinny.
Okay. Ready? Point that light out. Oh, that's Ryan. Where are you? Where are you? I'm gonna pull you. You gotta run as fast as you can with me. Ready?
I got you.
Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. We're almost up the step. Hold on. Don't move. Let's go. Run, 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 run. Run, 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 run.
I'm a juggernaut.
Damn it, when I tell you to run, you run.
Ow!
He's a juggernaut. Don't shoot him.
Ow, that hurt a lot.
I told you to follow me.
Ow.
Where you hit?
Oh, like 10 times.
It's okay. Shit. That side. Just get that side.
I can't go out.
Okay, you come with me. Okay. You hide behind that wall and clear anybody that's out there.
Bang, bang.
No, he's on our team. Go, 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 go.
Don't shoot, don't shoot.
Okay. Tim, you hear me? Okay. Smart, come on. We're covered. We made a barrier. Let's go. Come on. We made a barrier. What? Let's go. Just follow me. We made a barrier. Don't worry.
Am I safe here?
Yes, you're safe here. Okay. Wait right here for a second. I'm gonna go clear out that hallway thing. Wait, wait, wait. Who are you, team?
Yeah,
Oh, thank you so much. Okay. We're all clear. We're all clear. We're all clear up there. Let's go.
Go.
Come on.
Guys,
Advance, advance, advance. Keep going. Let's go. There's no one out there. Just get up. We have literally nothing to worry about.
that barrel.
Just keep protecting your face. Right shield a little up more. Stand up straight. Let's go. Sweet. Yes. Okay.
Hey, you dropped your handgun. You dropped your handgun.
That's okay. Just leave it. No, it's not a handgun.
Where the hell is the VIP? Right here. Oh, cool. See? Go! Here's the VIP. Oh, wait, that's
Flashlight. Anybody have a flashlight? Pass it up. Whoa. Okay. Let's go. Who's flashlight?
Here, Vinny.
Yo, we're pushing up.
Come on. Give me that grenade. Give me that grenade.
Ref, we only need to get in there, right?
Wait, move, 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 move. Grenade.
Grenade.
Grenade. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Just keep running. Keep running. Keep running. Turn right. Turn right. Yes. 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 right there. Don't shoot the lights, buddy. Have your fun. Have your fun.